Hi, for today's teardown, a quick and easy one, the Clifton synchro transmitter. Here are the information for you. So it is from the Sperry indicator I scrapped last week. And this one was broken, sadly. This cover is broken. And the wipers on the rotary contacts are bent. So it is not good anymore. And perfect opportunity to take it apart. I will first undo the remains of this blue cover. So these parts are originally very expensive and even used. If you search on eBay, you can see they are sold sometimes over 200 euros for one. So it is really a good bargain when you can grab an instrument with a lot of them and take it apart. Okay, here we have just the holder for the rotary contacts, wipers. That will come off completely. So we have one coil, it seems, in the rotor and a single phase coil in the rotor. Yes, it is in fact written here exactly. Rotor 1 phase 26 volt and stator 3 phase 11 volts. So here is for this part. As you can see, I will grab, excuse me, cutting pliers. It will be easier for me. Like this. Okay. So these are just little bits of metal, it seems, like such. Yes. Seems to be silver coated, according to the color. And some hardware to save and reuse. And here we can see the bearing, the rotary collector contacts. And I am left with 3 more screws to undo. Hopefully it will pop open easily. Yes. Here we are. So the cover with ball bearing, the single phase rotor, very well made as you can see. Very thin lamination here. And the coil is covered with some kind of lacquer. It is not going anywhere. Here is the inside stator 3-phase coil. It looks like it can come off. I am not sure. Let me check if I can undo what seems to be a circlip here. It is actually pretty well stuck in place. But anyways, there is nothing else to see. You see the stator armature, you see the coils, just like in a regular 3-phase motor. It is held in place by this ring here with threads for the back cover. Apparently there is some kind of a circlip here, but it does not want at all to come, so Yes, it is pretty hard circlip. I do not want to cut myself or anything like this, so I believe it will remain like this. And of course the other ball bearing at the back, very nice quality as you can expect. For this actually it looks like everything is in good condition except for the back wipers, but the other parts were correct, so maybe I can reassemble this and keep it for reuse or something. I did cut the wires a little bit short here, but not a big deal. Okay, so here is what you have inside one of these units. Pretty simple device actually, but very well made and very well engineered. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.